Now is it clear, Mahesh?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's clear. Earlier I
Yeah,
missed
yeah.
actually.
Okay, sir.
Thinking whether I'm having any issues.
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed. As of now, we have completed P2P cycle, XML publisher, registration only. There are sub points are there. So once you are habituated with this, then we can enter into the sub points. Meantime, what we can do, there are some other points. Unix shell script. Okay, it's required to know. Some people are already uploaded resumes, like they should know like how we can do a host programs and all. Okay, this is another topic it is. So all main topics I'm covering initially, then slowly we'll enter into other points. Okay, Unix shell scripting is today. Today we'll talk about only Unix. Okay, now Unix shell scripting we have already ready-made. That is a PROZ file. It is PROZ prog file, program file. It is. So let me take it from somewhere. So don't feel that I am skipping some topics. We'll cover every topic. I'm just giving priority actually to main topics. This is the file we can say. Okay. Then edit with Notepad or any other open with. There are many other editors. So right now I would like to open with the Notepad plus plus like this. So first see the commands in it. These are all hash portion is a commented area, commented portion it is. So for every shell script, these first five are important. Without this, you'll not be able to track the path and what is the username, password, application username, and what is your program request ID. So every parameter we can use here by using dollar as well as flower bracket here. So opening, closing, we have to use it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to pass any extra parameter, you cannot pass under 0 or 1 or 2. These are all reserved, we can say. Reserved parameters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are reserved parameters. 5 onwards, we can pass anything. So that is a user parameter. So you can pass it here by using $5 onwards. If you want to pass 4 parameters here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have to pass. Okay. And echo is which is used to print in the output here. Echo. Echo is the keyword in Unix language. Echo. By using echo, you can print the output. It's very simple. Just to make you understand, I prepared one sample. But we have other scripts also. We'll go one by one. So in this entire script, only you should know here what is the extension of the file. PROZ. PROZ is the Unix shell scripting program extension. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are reserved. 5 onwards we can use it. And to print it, we can use echo. Only 4 points you have to remember in this. Now registration we have to do it. This PROZ file we have to keep it to bin directory. So to keep it we can use Unix box or else there is a one option here. Bin SCP. File transfer protocol it is. From local machine to server, server to local machine, you can exchange the files by using this. Or else there are other FTPs are there. File transfer protocols. So here is a place you can use utilities FTP. file transfer, local machine to server. This is a local machine, local system, and this is the remote system is a server. You have to give your IP address, username, password, this all. But anyway, this is another way of transferring file. But we already have a ready-made one tool, that is WinSCP. WinSCP. Open this. Here is a place. Very first time, what you have to give your host name, application manager, and password also application manager. Then log in here. And ఒక్క నిమిషం 1 hour కాల్ చేస్తా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. You need to wait for 10 seconds, then only it will connect. You should not click on abort here. So it is waiting, it's trying to communicate. In the organization, it will not take this much time. So they will put some time here to connect to the server. Now it's connected. So once it is connected, you have to go up little. Here is a place, your application server. So this is a database server. DB means database. AS means application server. AS, then Oracle, Vision. We have many file systems here. These are the three file systems. In some companies, we may need to go to FS1, or in some companies, FS2. That is based on DBA decision. FSN means file system. It is FS1, EBS application, and your module. Which module your script is right now? So let's say AP. In AP module, bin directory. Here is the place we have to keep a file. Bin directory. So this path remembering is, if you feel it is difficult first time, so then so let's say I'm not moving the file to here. Your system only will indicate saying that file is not exist in this particular path. So now I am not moving because I wanted to show the error. Okay. So this is the first step actually. First step is moving file to the server. Then second is you need to register this program. For registration, few steps are there here. Executable, concurrent program, then attached to request group. Fourth one is submit from responsibility. That's it. Only few steps. These are all the registration steps. But before this, what we have to do, we have to create a soft link here. Soft link. For this, syntax is required. ln-s, that kind of thing. So first we'll generate errors, then after that we'll fix it. Okay. So now, before creating executable, what I did, move file to bin directory. Under which module, that you have to decide based on the report it is. So this is the file. I supposed to move here, but I have not moved. Okay. Second one is executable creation. So you go to application. You can go to system administrator. All registration will be available into this system administrator only. The first step here is concurrent program executable. In XML publisher, we have used existing executable, but here we are creating a new executable. With that method here is host. For all Unix programs, we have to use execution method is host only. We have various methods here for Java programs, for Oracle reports, for PLSQL, for all we'll use, but regularly we'll use only few. Loader plus reports like that. Now host program, file name. So file name is, let's say, uh, whatever the file name you have saved. This is a file name. Take this. File name is important. And name, executable name, short name, same only. And your module, which module you have moved it, payables. Same. That's it. All I made it is the same only. I have not entered manually, copied the file name only. Make sure your host program and application name, file name. Secondly, this is over already. Next is navigation is what it is. Executable navigation, concurrent, yeah, concurrent program execute. This is called as a navigation. Next is concurrent program define. The second one. Okay. Yeah. Concurrent program define. So if you don't want to go, you can just type like CPD also. CPD shortcuts. Quickly it will open like this. Shortcuts we have to use it. Now attach the executable. You should not use XML or something. Leave as it is because it is not a XML report. Okay. Now short name you can give same. Program name. Program name you can change it like this. Because it is a user, it's visible to user, right? You must follow proper format here. Then application name, variables, parameters. We had a parameter here, right? If you notice, these four we should not keep. You have to use here five onwards only. So five onwards, let's say what you want to pass. I want to pass supplier name as a parameter input, and that it is an under characters is a limit. It's a required parameter. Save. Please enter a unique name for your concurrent program. Okay. So program already used by someone. Let's say just giving like this or any other supplier details report. It's accepted. So parameters. Two steps completed. Okay. And executable also. Make sure you note down all this. Otherwise, you have to worry about all this. Searching from backend. Now next is attached to a request group. To which through which responsibility you wanted to submit. So I wanted to submit through a payables, correct? Responsibility navigation where you can see security. After that, responsibility define. So responsibility name is what it is. It's payables, vision, put percentile properly, control F11. Any spelling mistakes we have to see. Take this request group. This is a request group. It's already there. See, Oracle only given everything, or your in your system it's already mentioned. This I have not created. This I have not created. Correct? Only I created two steps. Executable creation, concurrent program creation, and only link is missing here. The link is you need to attach a program under a request group. Okay, so now what you have to do? Request group navigation is security, responsibility, request. That is all reports. You have to give payables here, otherwise you may attach in other module. Remember, both are important. Group is important, application is important. Now control down arrow for new record. Then copy this program. Attach over here. So how many steps I completed as of now? First step is moving file to the bin directory. Second is executable, concurrent program attached to a request. These two we no need to do. It's already there. And sixth step is here. Submit from responsibility. Okay, sorry, that is already there. You have to submit from a responsibility. So go to. It's going to give an error. Let's see what sort of error it will give. We request your program name, Supplier name, let's say I'm giving GE Plastics, any other which is existing in the database. Otherwise, that also will give an error. Fine. Refresh. It is expected error only. So what could be the error? The moment you get an error, you have to check in view log. View log. See the file, matter what it has given. Check concurrent post processing result. OPP success. So check 1 minute. Diagnostics. Why it is taking XML? I have to check. We are not given all this, right? Yeah. So it's a. I think we opened this file by mistake. Okay. It is not giving anything. Did not create an output file, and here also the reason behind this is we missed to create a soft link because in our script we had 4 parameters here. So these parameters are not working it out. For this, you need to go to Unix program, Unix box, putty it is. We have to use putty. It's a command oriented. Click on this, load. You need to give your host name and then open username. That is Apple MGR application manager. Password also same it is. Soft link we can create through this only. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, password also same. You could have received in your credential spot. So you can change the GUI color. Let me change the color of it. I think it's better, right? Compared to background. Okay. So you can change the font size if it is not visible properly. You can give a right click, change settings, and appearance, and here you can. You do it all this. Okay. Apply. Now it's properly visible. So here is the place. You have to check PWD. Present working directory is the keyword here. So right now, where exactly you are in, it will give you are in a home page right now. But where you kept a file, so you need to keep a file over here. First, I will keep a file. Then after that, I generate the error, guys. That's better. This is the file. Copy that file. Permission is also we have to give. I think this is the file, right? Check the timing. Give a right click. Properties. 777 is required here. 777. Why 777 is it will give a read permission, write permission, executable. We are giving to this particular file. Just directly enter it instead of enabling all this manually. Read, write, executable. Okay, this is the file. And for soft link syntax, here you can check. Oops. You can use here CD AP top. It is dollar $AP top. Okay, now you can check PWD. So you are in. And you need to go to the bin directory also. Then again check PWD. Right now you are here. This path we already seen here. See, same path only it is. To reach this particular top, what you have to do? We have to use here CD. CD means change directory. Then after that, dollar $AP top. These are all called as a directory here. See, if you check, these are all the tops. For every module, one top is there here. AP top, AR top, OM top, like that. ONT top. Now, AP, then bin. Or else straight away you can copy this particular path and you can just put CD and give a path. That is also fine. Now here is the place we need to create a soft link. So that is missed. That's why you are getting a program error here. So ln hyphen s dollar fnd top. Okay. So in this dollar fnd top, we have to give here fndcp esr. Instead of ap, I am going here fnd top. Foundation top it is. Fnd means foundation. Then here is a place. Bin directory. You can check here fndcpesr. It's already inbuilt these files. Check. There are so many. Is it fndcp? There is no control F here. You have to type it. fndcpe. Do you see this? This is the file here. fndcpesr. Copy. And here is a place after fnd top. What is what else here? 12.00 pin also there. So this we need to give here slash 12.0.0 slash better copy. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Pin. Then this command. By using this only, we can create a soft link here. Here, if any spaces and all, it will give an error. Let's see. And for this program, what's your program name? You moved already into AP directory, correct? Bin directory. Check the file name. This is a file. Extension not needed. That's it. This is the syntax. It's easy syntax only. ln I hyphen s, and you need to execute this fndcpsr. But straight away, if you say fndcpsr where it is, you cannot get. So you have to indicate a path saying that this fndcpsr is available into fnd top directory. By using this syntax, what we can do on this particular file, we are creating a soft link. The point here is soft link it is. After moving, your immediate step will be, second step will be soft link creation. Okay. Syntax I'll tell you again. ln hyphen s dollar fnd top. In fnd top, there is a 12.0.0 version, then bin directory. After that, fndcpesr. The syntax you must remember, in interviews people will ask. Then after that, file name, space file name here. Okay. Then now you need to execute this file. In the putty, execute it. Execution means simply enter on. So it is saying it is not a directory. Okay. Somewhere syntactically it is wrong actually. Okay. Maybe space issue that we have to see. Usually earlier I used to copy paste. Now I typed it. No, that is correct. Okay. Space also will create a problem. But once it is executed, you cannot see anything here. But if you look at it, refresh it with this file, there will be a shortcut key like this. Do you see a shortcut key here? Here also shortcut key. In the file, here also shortcut key. Just refresh it. You must see with that particular file. If not, then you may need to create again. Or if you try to create again, it will give you error saying that it's already exist. So it is saying creating a soft link or symbolic link which is already there. So it is saying here it's exist. That means it is created. So we have done all the steps, guys. So one is we moved a file and we changed the permissions to 777. Then after that we created a soft link. Then we registered as a program by using all the steps. Now let's see. Again, we'll follow all the steps as a revision. Still, if we get error, then definitely we'll copy paste. Okay, it is not giving. So just give me 2 minutes. I'll get all the steps. So these are all the steps from here onwards. Copy. Mostly for file copying, file moving, file archiving. These cases only we'll use. So just go through all this, whether we missed anything. First, what we did, upload Porag file into the bin directory into the respective application top. That is already done. Putty, and this we have done already, PWD. Maybe I think this is the problem, 12.0.0 or OO, 12 OO, I'm not sure. Now, change mode is not required, we already gave. Okay, here 12.0.0 we give an extra, is it? So that's a change I noticed. Okay, we'll follow all the steps, guys, again. Just copy, paste. I'll open another session. Okay. So we'll go step by step again from all. Yes. Soft link also created. Do you see a shortcut? I think soft link creation, there is a error. Do you see red color here? So that's a problem. So I think soft link syntax only a problem. Rest every steps is okay. And what we can do, we will, instead of disturbing that, we'll move the file again. I think we have changed, is it? F2. Is the name of the file. So I'm again renaming, guys. I could notice there is a problem with the soft link. Right? No, I just moved it. No, no, the date is showing like that only, but that's a new one only. See, if you just copy again, it's still showing some issue with the timestamp issue here. Okay. You are talking about this file only, right? This file only. Okay. Date is some issue actually. See here. So still it is showing 2012. Some problem with the server dates that we cannot do anything. We have to open the file and check whether it's correct or not. Anyway, next. So this is where actually we typed manually. We did a mistake. Okay. So before that, what we can do, we can go with the first CD AP top and go to this particular path, or the entire path you can take it directly. You can type CD like this. Okay, it is saying no such file or directory. Let her go with the AP top slash bin. I think it is better, right? So we are in this particular path. In this path. The problem is uh, this path is in older version path. See, apps st, these are all not there here. Correct? We have a file system one. That's why I copied and pasted from notes. It's giving error. So I'll rename it here. Then after that, this path we can, the syntax we can copy and paste it. Right click, simply right click. Okay, it will be pasted here. And after that, your file name is the file name. Extension not required. Now it's created. Try to submit it. Still, if it gives, then we have to go starting only this. Because I made all the steps correctly only, except the soft link problem. The purpose of soft link is it will get all the usernames, application username, database username from backend. Now it's completed. So whatever we type manually that went wrong somewhere based some space issue or something. Now if you click on view output, you cannot say anything. You have to go to view log. You will see first is zero. Zero parameter it is. Zero parameter is where you kept your shell script file. It's a path simply. So this is the path it is giving. Okay, the entire path you kept here, right? This shell script file. Automatically it recognized. The second one is what it is. Oracle application username and password. So we connected to database, correct here? Your putty or something, apps. Database username is apps only. And application user ID. What is your user ID? Operations user ID. User ID is available in one particular table. You know this already. We typed many times, right? FND user, where username is equivalent to operations. User ID, how much it is? 1318. Do you see 1318 is correct or not? Yes. In the same way, operations also. And what is your concurrent program request ID? So request ID is this one, 7618. Every submission it will change this ID. So that request ID. Now, if you don't fire this soft link, it will not be able to get all these details. Your program will be error. That's what we faced just before actually. So symbolic link or soft link, both are same. The syntax is what it is. ln, this C, ln hyphen s. There is no space. We given two spaces earlier, and then $fnd top slash bin only. So we made 12.00. This is wrong actually earlier in earlier case. Okay, now you just simply copy paste from a notes only this syntax, or you can type properly. Clear? Shall we follow all the steps within 2 minutes? Revision. So first I'm just changing the file name. This is a file, right? I'm putting at the end here 3 we can say, or like supplier assembly. This is the new file, guys. First step is what it is. You need to move it to bin directory. So that is the first step. Supplier. After moving immediately, what you have to do? You need to change a permission. How to change a permission? Right click, properties. Then after that, 777. If you want to change through Unix box, here Unix box it is. There is a ch mode command is there. Ch mode, change mode. Both are same. If you have a UI option, you can give UI option, but or else you can use change mode 777 program name dot PROs. Both are same. So as of now, what I did, I moved a file to the bin directory. Second step is soft link creation. We did a mistake by typing this. Rest everything is same only. Now this, go to putty, just use up arrow for previous syntaxes, up arrow. Then here change the file name. Rest everything let it be. File name is this without extension, guys. Enter. So after that, if you just again execute it, it will give you error saying that it is exist. That means it is created properly. Or else you can go to directory, refresh it, check there will be a shortcut key somewhere created like this. These are all the shortcut keys only. It's already done. Maybe you need to refresh it properly. Here, refresh. Do you see? After refreshing, it came. Okay. Now it is giving a date properly here. These two are our soft links only. Shortcuts, if you just open it also, it will not give anything. Now go to executable. To create an executable, I already given you navigation here. Go to system administrator. Navigation is CPE. You can type it. It will open quickly. That is also shortcut key. All same variables. SQL loader. In this case, it is a post program. SQL loader is to load the data. That also will cover in the next class. Then next is define. Execute after completion of executable. Next is concurrent program define. Go to attach executable. Go start name, variables, program name, parameter. Even though we have a 4-5 parameters, $5 onwards only user parameter is vendor name or supplier name, 100 characters. It's mandatory. Save. So after this, next step will be, you know already all reports is attached to a payable. Straight away you can go to request group and attach it. This is the last step we have to do. So go to take this navigation for request group navigation, security, responsibility. Where to go? Define is for responsibility is already defined, but now we have to attach under a yes request. All reports, variables. Then Alt, you can use it. Alt V R N O. These are all the shortcut keys, guys. You have to use it. So that speed will come. Not dependent always on mouse. So this is the way we can create a host program and we can register a host program. What is the execution method we have used is host. And soft link syntax creation, ln-s $fnd top it is. Change mode is for to change the permissions. Echo is to display the output. Echo is to display the output. These are all echo keyword. You open the file, it's echo. Because of echo only, we are printing output into button, lock button. So that's all for now, guys. We have some more scenarios. These are file for file transferring, for file loading, and these are also there. We'll see in the next class. So practice now only Unix after this class. Don't practice P2P cycle. If I am teaching Unix, you are practicing O2C P2P, it will not help you. You finish this, do it 5, 6 times, clear confusion, and after that you start your own topic. I'm okay. Okay. Online guys, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Anusha, you are not in Bangalore?
Yes, sir. I'm in Bangalore only.
Why you are not coming to the classes?
Sir, today itself only I didn't came, sir. I will come by afternoon.
How about you, Chaitra?
Sir, I'm traveling
Okay.
to institute.
Yes, you must come. Okay, maintain office timings.
Okay, sir.
You people are like now project managers. That is not good actually. You have to maintain timings, guys. Maintain timings properly in between 9 to 5. Spend 8 hours time. If you want to get 1 lakh salary, then definitely you have to spend time. How about you, Razu? Where are you now? Srihari?
So I will be back then this week.
Yeah, please try
I will
to
back.
come to office.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.